Hello everyone, beautiful, easy Diya decoration ideas for school competition. In this video, you will learn simple, unique and creative Diya decoration competition design that help students win first prize, perfect for school project, Diwali activities, art and craft competition for kids and festive decoration. What's inside? Easy Diya decoration ideas for kids, mirror diyas and mandala and glitter diya, step by step DIY Diya decoration, best ideas for Diya competitions, quick and neat craft for student. Glitter Diya design. Cover the Diya's edges with golden and silver glitter tape and stickers. Add small dotted or lines using 3D liner to give a stylish finish. It looks shiny and attractive in just a few minutes. stickers. Take a plain clay diya and apply glue on the rim or stickers. Small mirrors you can add it all around it, and add colorful beads between the mirrors. These diyas sparkle beautiful when lit, perfect for judges. Keep your craft neat and use bright colors and match your design with the Diwali theme or with competition. These were simple and beautiful Diya decoration ideas for school competition. Try them and tell me which ideas you liked it the most. Like, share, subscribe for more DIY craft videos, guys. Till then, bye. Take care. Thank you for watching my video.